Welcome to EpicHub.com, the future of human communication. Hi, my name is Scott Thompson. I'm CEO and co-founder of EpicHub.com and the inventor of the Epic Contact app. Why do I describe my company, EpicHub.com, and the Epic Contact app as the future of human communication? The technical reason is that the Epic Contact app gives you free access to the world's first and only centrally located, self-updating, fully automated contact database. What that means is, as humanity's technology covers the Earth, then spreads out into the stars, no matter where you are or who you try to reach, you will always have 100% current contact data to instantly click to connect. So as the world's contact data changes, this app automatically captures those changes and continuously updates our devices with wonderfully current data. Here's how this patent-pending and revolutionary system works. Step 1. Create a free, centrally located cloud database that everyone can access easily no matter where they are. Step 2. Fill that database with 100% current contact data simply by asking each new user that joins to create an account. Step 3. Keep all of that data current using automated systems. Step 4. Safe behind spy-level encryption, make it easy for our users to invite each other to exchange their 100% current contact data, so the system can quietly and automatically download and populate our devices with approved data forever. That's it. Capture current data, use automated systems to keep that data current, protect that data with super encryption, exchange your own data with whomever you want, then let the system automatically and quietly download that improved and exchanged data to populate our devices. Okay, so that's what this revolutionary system does. Now, here's how you use this amazing system in just 4 easy steps. Step 1. Use the icon. This is the icon that will appear on your device's screen after you download the Epic Contact app. I'm asking you to replace your phone's default contact icon with the Epic Contact icon. I've moved the old icon out of the way on my screen and replaced it with the Epic Contact icon, so I'll always remember to use the Epic Contact system. Don't worry, any new accounts that you create in the Epic Contact app instantly create a corresponding new account in your device's default contact list. So if you later change your mind and want to return to the old system, you can do so with no loss of time or data. I use the default button just for voicemail now, because the phone manufacturers do not allow any third-party apps like mine to access their voicemail systems. So here's how to move your icon if you wish. To begin, press and hold down any one icon until they all start to vibrate. Once vibrating, you can take your finger off the icon. You can now tap and hold down any icon on the screen and drag it wherever you want it to go. Here, I'm moving the default contact icon to my main body of icons, and now I'm dragging the Epic icon into the communications window. When I'm done moving icons, I simply tap the home button to end the process, and that's all there is to it. Voicemail aside, everything else can be found right on the Epic Contact app homepage. It contains all the same features and benefits that you're used to from the old system, like blank call, email, and text screen buttons that allow you to capture and use new data quickly. And below those, your contacts are still easily accessed and found here. Just a tap to your contacts button reveals all of your contacts, still listed in alphabetical order, just like you're used to, but with really cool one-touch fast connect buttons added for your convenience. And tapping a contact still opens up that contact's data, where you can still one-touch communicate just like you're used to. And the process to edit your contact's data is the same as well, so I won't go into that process. And there's more. Each contact account now carries significantly more data than you're used to, all organized wonderfully. Don't worry, you won't have to enter or maintain any of this new data yourself. Someone else does it for you. In fact, all of this data is managed by the owner of this account. In this case, Irving manages all of this data, so you don't have to maintain anything. All of this means that you get significantly more data managed through significantly less time. So you lose nothing by switching from the old contact icon to the new Epic Contact icon, yet gain so much. That's the end of step 1. Step 2. Create a new account in the Epic Contact Cloud database. Let's watch as I create a new sample account in the app. As I go along, you'll notice that we collect your contact data in a new way. We collect your data using 3 short packets that organize your contact data for easy, highly targeted sharing. As you can see, There's a social contact data packet, a work contact data packet, and a personal contact data packet. Depending on the packet of data you choose to share with a contact, that's the data they will see when they open your account in their phone. What data is in each packet? Social contact data. The social contact data you fill out is simply your name, a social phone number, and a social email address. That's it. Easy, right? This is the data that you might share with new friends or romantic interests that you meet when out on town. Work contact data. The work contact data you fill out is simply the information you have on your business card. This is the data you would want to share when meeting new business contacts. And personal contact data. The personal contact data you fill out is additional contact data beyond your work and social data. When you share your personal data, you'll share everything in this section that you fill out, plus the data in your social and work data packets as well. Obviously, this is the kind of data you would only want to share with your very close and trusted friends and family. Once you're done filling in these data packets, you'll be ready to share your 100% current contact data with the people you care for. Watch now as I create a sample account. Okay, let's start by tapping the Epic Contact icon to open the app. That opens the app's Login and New Account page. Here you can log in, create a new account, or rapidly transfer your contact data to a second phone. Let's tap the Create a New Account button to move deeper into the app. These next few pages simply explain information about the app that you already know. So let's move past them quickly and stop at the first page where you need to enter data, the Social Account Data page. Here is where we begin to collect your social data. We start by collecting an email address that you would use socially. This is an email address that you would share with new people that you're just starting to get to know. Next, I'll choose a password that's easy to remember but hard to guess. I'm using the word password, but never use that. It's the first one hackers try. Next, I'll enter a phone number that I would share for social purposes. I'm going to tap the country code box to show you this system. Tapping it opens a list of all the countries of the world. I don't know if you've ever had to search for a country code before, but it can be annoying. Now you have all of that data at your fingertips in alphabetical order. You don't have to scroll down through all of these choices to get to your country. Instead, simply tap the first letter of your country on the list of letters on the right side of the screen to instantly jump to that alphabetical area of the list. Tap your desired country, then click the Done button at the top right of the screen. Now you can finish entering the rest of your phone number. When done, tap the Next button. Now we're going to collect all the rest of your data. Please try to fill out as much data as possible for many reasons. Some examples are, have you ever needed a phone number but only had an email address to let someone know that you're running late? Or did you only have a phone number when you need to email a file to someone? Or have you ever wanted to snail mail a paper invitation to somebody, but only have a phone number in your database? These are real problems, so do your friends and family a favor and try to provide as much data as possible. As you scroll down, pay particular attention to the Social Likes data area. This is where you add icebreaker data that you might want to share to help the new people you meet discuss topics that you enjoy. This helps that boy or girl you just met make that first phone call to you so much easier. And you can look at their accounts to see what they love to talk about. This makes getting to know that new someone special a real breeze. Now you can scroll down to fill in your work data packet. Pay particular attention to the work web data field. This is where you can describe your company, your job, add announcements or coupons, add web links, or even links to order pages. It's okay to use the same phone numbers or email addresses in multiple packets. What data you choose to share and where you choose to share it is simply up to you. After you've completed your work data packet, it's time now to work on your personal data packet. I won't go into any detail here, except to ask you to please add a picture of yourself at the bottom of this page. Don't you love it when other people provide you with a picture, rather than just seeing a blank space in someone's profile? Do your friends and family a favor and make their database look fantastic. After all, doesn't this look better than this? If you're a little self-conscious about how you look, then let me offer you a few professional photography tips to help you look great. Let's start by tapping the No Photo Available image to open your phone's camera. Tap to allow access to your phone's camera. Reverse the pic screen so you can now see yourself as you take your picture. Horrible picture angle. Taking a picture upward adds 70 pounds. Avoid that angle as much as possible. And from the side is better, but not great. Instead, hold your phone above you and take the picture on a downward angle. Stretch your neck up a bit to look up at the camera. Now smile and take your pic. You can take as many pics as you want until you get a really good one. Then accept it. See, much better. This isn't cheating. Taking a picture from this angle removes the extra weight the camera adds to you. In my humble opinion, this angle is the closest to how you look in real life. And that's it. You're done. Let's click the update button and move on. The way we end step 2 is to add super encryption, specifically designed to keep all of your data safe. This 256-bit encryption is the kind of security that even the governments of the world need to go to the phone manufacturers to break. Step 3. Invite your favorite people to exchange current data and specify what kind of data you want to share with them. To do this, the Epic Contact app opens your phone's contact database and asks you, which people would you like to one-touch invite to exchange your 100% current contact data with? And at the same time asks, what kind of data would you like to share with each contact? You can choose from your social, work, or personal data packets that you created earlier. Let's watch as I one-touch invite, specify, ignore, or delete my contacts to make the system work. Simply use our one-touch system to invite each contact by tapping this button to turn it yellow. Then tell the app what kind of data you want to share with this contact by clicking one of these buttons. Tap this button to one-touch weed and delete undesired contacts. And when you're done, simply scroll down and tap this button to instantly send out very tasteful, personalized email invitations requesting your favorite people to join the Epic Contact app. As they join, they can each create new accounts of their own, entering their own 100% current contact data into the app. And as the world joins, the Epic Contact Cloud database fills with 100% current contact data. Then, because the people you invited accepted your invitation, the Epic Contact app automatically shares your current contact data with them, and because they accepted your invitation, the system automatically shares their current contact data back with you, and everyone ends the process with shared 100% current contact data. And you become the very center of your own Epic Hub of communication. That's why we're called EpicHub.com. We're creating a world where you are the center of everything. For the first time ever, you have control of your own contact data. Then, the Epic Contact app begins a never-ending process of automatically and silently updating your device's database with 100% current contact data that your contacts have chosen to share with you. It's revolutionary. That completes step 3. Invite your favorite people to exchange current data and specify what kinds of your data you want to share with them. Step 4. The Epic Contact app employs a patent-pending, fully automated system that keeps the Epic Contact database 100% current going forward. We call this system the Epic Crowdsourced Updating System. Crowdsourced updating simply means that you occasionally help your friends and family stay current, all by doing much less work than what you currently do today. Here's how this next revolutionary system works. Hi, this is me, Scott, and this is me in my own little Epic Hub of trusted contacts. I just got a new phone number, 1-800-MARKETING. Naturally, I want to tell my favorite people that I have a new phone number, so I call, email, or verbally tell any one person in my Epic Contact database that I have a new phone number. It doesn't matter how I tell people, and it doesn't matter which person I tell. It could be one or it could be all of them. So I choose you. I call you and tell you that my phone number has changed. This friend opens the Epic Contact app to my account, taps the edit button, then she can change my data, and enters my new phone number over my old one. This is the very same process that we all use today in our phone's default systems to update someone's changed data, so there's nothing new to learn. But as soon as my friend clicks the save button to save the changes she made to my contact data, the Epic Contact crowdsourcing system goes to work. The Epic Contact app realizes that some piece of data has changed in my friend's database. The system then asks, well, whose data changed? Oh, it's Scott's. It then thinks, I don't know, monitor, or care what specific data changed. I just know that something did. So the crowdsourcing system sends me an emailed update request to ask me, hey, did some part of your contact data change? Well, why yes, I have a new phone number. So I simply update my new phone number right into the update request email. And as soon as I click the update button, boom, instantly, all of my linked contacts are updated with my most current contact data, and it does it by contact type. Now, all of this happened the moment I told someone my contact data changed. Wow, I just helped all of those people, and all I had to do was change my buddy's phone number on my phone, which I would have had to do anyway with today's systems. No extra effort, but maximum benefit. Yay! And no one else had to change anything. That's why I say you may only occasionally need to help your community stay current. But we know this system is reactive, and most of us prefer to be proactive. So we developed a system where you own and control your own data. We call it direct updating. Direct updating works like this. A tap in the app equals instantly and directly updated contacts. On the app's homepage, simply tap the direct update button to see all the data you entered when you created your account. Simply change the data in any field you want, then scroll down to the bottom of the page and click the update button. And as soon as you do, boom, you instantly update your desired contacts by the contact data type that you just changed. As an example, if you change the data in your social profile data packet, then only your social contacts will be quietly and instantly updated. And for the people who abuse your contact data, you can directly delete contacts as well. That means a tap in the app equals your data removed from their phone, giving you control of your own contact data. But remember, these are your friends, family, and coworkers from your own contact database. So it's very rare when you'll ever need to use this feature. And it's what everyone said they wanted. So we added it in. See, we empower you to control your own contact data from the center of your very own Epic Hub. But there's so much more. Introducing the Epic Web. The Epic Web lets you access your contacts from any internet-enabled device. Have you ever lost, broken, or simply forgotten your phone? You reach for it and it's not there. It feels like you lost a part of yourself. Well, with the free Epic Web, you can simply go to EpicHub.com and enter your username and password to immediately access all of your contacts' data. And you can even Skype with them as well. And should you ever lose or break your phone, you can simply repopulate a new phone with just one click for free. Simply click the new phone button found on the app's homepage. Be careful, this button is designed to add your contacts to a new phone. Using it on your current phone will create many duplicate accounts in your contact database. So, new phones only, please. And the Epic Contact app will even automatically translate contact data from Apple to Android or Android to Apple with just that same one click. All of these services are completely free. Okay, so if everything is free, then how do we stay in business? Well, when you have an outstanding and unique product, tremendous bolt-on services can offer incredible value for just a little bit of money. Introducing the Epic QR Contact System. What is the Epic QR Contact System? Well, do you know what this is? That's right, it's a barcode. Most of us have seen how quickly scanning barcodes can transfer information, like when we're checking out groceries at the supermarket. Scanning codes are super fast and easy, and scanning QR codes can make transferring data as fast and easy as taking a picture. So why not rapidly scan one phone with another to instantly exchange contact data? Just a click and done. You see, the free Epic Contact app gives all of its users their very own free QR codes to display. I say codes because we give you 3, one for each type of life situation. Social situations, work situations, and personal situations. Remember the data packets you created when you opened your Epic Contact account? Well, now we're going to do something amazing with them. The Epic Contact app assigns a different QR code to each of your data packets. Your social data gets a unique QR code, your work data gets a unique QR code, and your personal data gets a unique QR code. All Epic users have these codes. Here's how this super fast and easy system works. To share your data, simply open the Epic Contact app and tap the QR Contact button on the home page to bring up your QR Contact system screen. Here you'll find the different data packets we talked about earlier. Simply choose the kind of data you want to share and click that button to display that unique QR code. Let's tap the Share Work Data button to expose the Work Data QR code. You are now ready to have your work contact data code scanned. In a second phone, also on the Epic QR Contact system screen, just tap the Scan QR Code button to open the Epic QR scanner. and just hold the scanning phone over the first phone as if you're going to take a picture of the QR code. Click, you're done. Both users have just agreed to exchange contact data. The person scanning the code tells the Epic system what kind of data they want to share, social, work, or personal, under the notifications button on the app's home page. I'll explain more on why the system is set up this way later. Now, you can choose to share your QR codes face-to-face as described, or you can include your QR codes in your marketing, so prospects can simply scan, link, and connect directly with your marketing or sales staff. And the Epic QR contact system is even smart enough to know when one of your codes is scanned out in the field. Think about that. No matter where your QR codes go in the world, you will know, 1, when someone scans your code, 2, who that person is, 3, how to contact them, and 4, most importantly, their contact data will stay current in your database forever because of the Epic Contact app's automated updating systems. All incoming contacts go to your notifications button, so you know when you have new contacts to process. The notifications button is where you approve or deny linking with new contacts, and as you approve or deny, you can create reminders for follow-ups. And you can even easily pull contacts directly from the Epic Contact app to merge with your corporate database, should you choose to use the Epic QR contact system for business use. Now, this is a visual system, so no one can walk by and scan one of your QR codes unless you choose to display it. So there's no radio antennas, no transferring data through the air, it's just a visual system. The Epic QR contact system is particularly handy to have during trade shows. Why pay hundreds per show for a product your team needs to learn each time you rent it when you can have a system all year round that you know and trust and that prospects can rapidly join on the fly for free, all for a fraction of the cost. And inviting prospects to join the Epic system is so easy. You can invite people right from your home page by clicking the invite button and entering their email address. Then later, when they join, their account will show up here, where you can choose the kind of contact data you want to share with them. Or you can invite them by clicking the Send an Invitation button in your QR contact screen. Or you can even invite people that are already contacts in your database, but that you didn't invite during the selection process when you created your Epic Contact account, simply by clicking the Invite button within your contact list. If there is no invite button shown, then that account does not contain an email address to send an invitation to. So that's the system. See? Easy. Now, for those of you who have business cards, you can think of this work QR code as a new kind of business card, a digital business card. You're going to love this. Digital business cards have all the same data as traditional cards, but with one major difference. If I give someone my old-fashioned and non-digital business card today, and my data changes tomorrow, then my new contact can't reach me. And now I have to remember all the people I gave my cards to and try to update them. But with direct updating in the Epic Contact app, I can instantly update all of my linked contacts just by changing my business data in my Business Direct Update account. Now, if we can all update our own data in other people's phones, then why just stick to contact data? Why not add new functionalities that we can all change whenever we want? So when people open your account in their phone, they can see, for business, hyperlinks capability to add links to coupons, sales literature, product ordering pages, or even new product announcements, anything the web can offer. And for friends and family, icebreaker data to help new friends find conversation topics you love to discuss, and life updates for our loved ones to stay current with just a click. So change your data as much as you want. It's free, it's easy, and it will keep your data forever green. And with 3 QR codes, you can have a changeable digital card for each type of contact data, social, work, and personal. And, of course, the Epic QR contact system is patent pending as well. You get all of this value for the incredible price of only $4.99 per year. That's per year. Less than $5 per year for all this value. It's fantastic. You can get this amazing system right now by tapping the Access QR Scan for $4.99 yearly button under the Scan QR Code button to get started today. I love my Epic QR scanner. I use it every day. I just wish more people had it. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope to scan your code soon. Scotty out. EpicHub.com. Think beautifully.